Hello guys, if you have received this message from Google AdSense or from Google, don't panic. Your Google Publisher account has been disabled. Don't panic. First, go to your AdSense account. You will see this, so don't panic. Click on Accounts Closure. When you click, it will send to a different menu. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and get to can my account be restricted after disable for invalid traffic? Click here. Invalid activity appeal form. Click it. It will send to this form for you to fill. So you take your time to fill. First, your name. So you mention your name. My name is Bisimai. First, it will ask for publisher ID. The publisher ID, you can get it here. You can get the publisher ID. So I'll copy my publisher ID here. Yeah, this is my publisher ID. Now I'll copy it and come and paste it here nicely. Asking of URL or your app this thing. So my URL is bisimai.gh.com. And you repeat the same thing here, Bisimai. Depending on your site, the app or website, so you repeat it here. bisimai.gh.com. And it is asking you, have you ever purchased a traffic for your mobile or your traffic? No. It is asking you, how does user get your site or app, or how do you promote your site? You can say, or you can say copy. How do you promote your site? My content rich audience or users through Google search, or through Google search, engine, or some traffic from Facebook or WhatsApp groups. That's how to use to get your traffic from your site. Okay, and it is asking you, have you or your site or app or your YouTube account violated as manager publisher listing before? If yes, how? So you say no. Now is no. And here it is asking you, what is the reason for invalid traffic to your site? And please provide detailed information and tell us here, because what I will tell them is, in my view, my competitors might done invalid traffic activity, or there might be someone who doesn't have knowledge, proper knowledge on policy violation. This might cause the invalid traffic, or this might cause the reason of accounts deactivation. What change would we implement to the traffic quality of your site? Here, what you tell them is, what you tell them is, I will be true partner for adsense and will be careful on my steps so that I can avoid invalid traffic, and also read adsense policies. Read adsense policies. I want to apologize for any invalid traffic, any invalid traffic activity detected on my site or account. And here it is asking you, here, let me delete it. Here, here it is asking you, please indicate any data from your site or mobile app or YouTube channel, traffic login or report that indicates suspicious IP address or reference or blah blah blah, and explain invalid activity. Here, you can give them, I could not record any suspicious IP address login traffic report. I also apologize once again for this. And you click here and submit. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.